Hey everybody, today we'll be installing some aftermarket exhaust tips on the G20 M340i. These are the exhaust tips that I bought from Infinite Auto Works. Alright, let's get started. What you're going to need is a 10mm socket. I think you have two on each side. You got one here, one over here. Should come out now. Let's go to this side. It's pretty straightforward. The other one's on this side. Let's pull it out. All right. So these are labeled left and right. This one is for the right side. So let's go ahead and install it. Got to make sure these clamps are out of the way. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand. All right. That's one. All right. Got to position it however you want it. Let me go ahead and tighten these clamps up. Positioning it right how I want it. Alright, let's start up on this side. Gotta guide these clamps. They don't get in the way. Try to adjust it the same distance as the other side. So around there. So I'm going to tighten it down and probably make adjustments afterwards. So we're done with the install, and this is the final look. I think it looks pretty good. I have a lot more things that I want to do to this, so just subscribe and I'll keep you updated.